turn me into sandalwood, for I have been incomplete for centuries. Make me whole, let neither of us remain conscious, lost in love's madness. Love me so deeply that I lose my mind. Color my palm with the henna of your love, and line your eyes with the coal of my name. Under its shade my dreams will begin to glow. Let your veil shine upon my face. I am blazing sunlight, pour yourself onto me like rain so much that my soul becomes a shimmering sea, like the wind that blows through deserts every evening.